Tinga de Pollo has a delicious, smoky, spicy flavor. If you're taking it to a party or a potluck, well, you better make a lot. Tinga is very easy to make, it's inexpensive, and very delicious. Make sure you make this. So if you already have your go-to chicken tinga recipe, I'm gonna show you a very simple upgrade that's gonna make it way, way better. Let's get right into it. Start by heating up a pan over medium heat with a little bit of oil. And once it's hot, add half an onion chopped. Cook it until it softens up and just starts turning translucent. Now add your dry spices, some oregano, some black pepper, and some cumin. Now let's add your 3 garlic cloves chopped up. Mix that in well and let those spices wake up a bit. You'll need about 30 to 60 seconds before the garlic becomes fragrant. Now this whole mixture goes straight into the blender. Add in a 7-ounce can of Chipotle peppers with adobo sauce. Start off with some tomato bouillon and blend it all together until nice and smooth. Not all canned Chipotles are created equal though. Certain brands are a little bit more spicier than others, so be sure to experiment. Pour that smoky Chipotle mixture right back into the pan. Add a little chicken broth to the blender to rinse it out, and make sure to pour that in too. Next up, add a can of crushed tomatoes. If you're using fresh, cook down 7 Roma tomatoes and blend them. Let it stir it all together and let it come up to a simmer. And now for the chicken. And this is where we're gonna level things up. Most traditional recipes call for poached chicken. You add a little onion, little garlic, fresh aromatics, cook it through, and then shred it. But here's my pro tip. Grill your chicken. That grill flavor, combined with that smoky Chipotle sauce, well, it's gonna make any Tinga de Pollo recipe way better. I had 1.5 pounds of grilled chicken from the day before. The chicken was shredded, and I added it straight in. Let that simmer for about 20 minutes. This is gonna let the sauce soak right into the meat. And the grilled chicken flavor is gonna come right back into the sauce. Tinga de Pollo is something you find a lot at Mexican parties. It's perfect as an appetizer, especially when served with tostadas. You can also serve it in a bowl or plate with rice and beans. But in my family, we always serve the tinga with tostadas. And that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing today. Now, you can buy pre-made tostada shells, and there's nothing wrong with that. But they're really easy to make. Let me show you how. Just heat a little oil in a pan, drop in your corn tortillas, and fry them until they're golden and crisp. Make sure you flip and get the other side. If you got a large pan, do a couple at a time. Once they're done, shake off any extra oil and place them on a wire rack to cool off. Be sure to make extra tostadas, seriously. Now, if you take some tinga over to parties or potlucks, make sure you bring lots of it because it's gonna go fast. Let's build. Take one of your crispy tostadas, add a layer of shredded iceberg lettuce, then a generous spoonful of that chicken tinga. Drizzle on some Mexican crema, as much or as little as you'd like. And then add your salsa of choice. If your tinga has already got a bit of heat, well, then don't add the salsa. And if it's not spicy, then be sure to have some salsa ready. Top it with some crumbled cotija cheese. Finally, add a sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro. And that's it. They're crispy, spicy, smoky, and whether you're feeding the family or you're rolling up deep to a party, this dish delivers. Best of all, it's very easy. Now, do you want to see how easy it is to grill chicken? Well, check out this video next.